Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to uninstall updates on Android and explain how this can help fix problems caused by recent app changes. This video will walk you through the exact steps on your Android phone. Now let's get started. Step 1. Swipe up on your Android home screen to open the app drawer, then tap on Settings, which is where you control all system options and device features. Step 2. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. This section lists all installed apps and system apps so you can manage them properly. Step 3. Scroll through the apps list and find the app you want to fix, such as Google Play services. Then tap on it to open the App Info page where update options are available. Step 4. On the App Info screen, tap the three dots in the corner or directly tap Uninstall Updates. Read the message explaining the app will return to its factory version, then tap OK to confirm. Step 5. To remove updates from another app like Google Play Store, go back to the apps list, tap Google Play Store, and select Uninstall Updates again using the same option. Step 6. Repeat these steps for any other app causing issues, because uninstalling updates often helps resolve bugs, crashes, or performance problems. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.